Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues.